Hello, voice is clear or not? Voice is clear or not? Okay, I will check.
Hello, voice is clear or not?
So now voice is okay. Now continue. How can make perfect square? Simply here x square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 square adding and minus 1 by 2 square subtracting plus 1. So that part is how much? X plus half to the whole square, and this one 4 minus 1, that is 3. So you can say that root 3 by 2 to the whole square. So basically this one replaced to that part. Okay, so you can say that minus 3 by 2 into integration of under root of how much? This one written x plus half to the whole square plus root 3 by 2 to the whole square into dx. I hope so clear. Now after that, what about that value? Simply I know that integration of x square plus a square dx is how much? 1 by 2 into x under root x square plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square, okay, plus c. Okay, so x basically how much? X plus half. X basically how much? X plus half. So you can say that is 1 by 2 into 2, these 2 are cancelled, so 1 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 to whole power 3 by 2. Okay, now what about that value? Simply this one 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, so 3 by 4. Okay, minus 3 by 4 into x, basically x plus half into under root of how much? What about that value? Simply written here x square plus x plus 1. Okay, plus a square is how much? Root 3 by 2 the whole square, means 3 by 4 log of modulus of how much? X plus half plus under root of how much? X square plus x plus 1, okay, plus c. Okay, I hope so clear. Make it. Okay, simply I will explain again. Our motto, how can you integrate this one? Simply x minus 1 is replaced to a into differentiation of denominator plus a new constant b. After that we got a and b. A is how much? 1 by 2, and b is how much? Minus 3 by 2. These two value put here. Basically this one replaced to that one. Okay, with if put a, this be equal to minus, a is how much? 1 by 2 and b is minus 3 by 2. Then we got like that one. Now look here, if this one is t, so that one dt. So t to power half, integration of t to power half dt is how much? t to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So written like that one, and new constant C1. Now after that we have focus on that part. First of all, this one make perfect square. How can make perfect square? Basically make here x square plus multiply 2, then divide by 2 plus into x plus basically a, and here b is how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square adding and 1 by 2 square subtracting, and this plus 1. After that we got how much? X plus half to the whole square plus how much? Root 3 by 2 to the whole square. Look here very carefully. Simply I know that if this value put here, I know the formula of under root x square plus a square dx is how much? 1 by 2 into x plus x into under root x square plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So x basically how much? X plus half. And what about a? A basically root 3 by 2. Okay. Now these two value put here, then we got like that one. So simply these put here and that constant C1, and after that integrating another constant C2. So C1 plus C2 replaced to another constant C. So that's why I written C here. Okay, make it. Now I will focus on next problem, question number 10. So first of all make it. Question number 10. Integration of 3x plus 5 into under root of how much? Simply x square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. Okay, how can do? Look here very carefully. 3x plus 5, this will be equal to a into differentiation of x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, in differentiation of this one, 2x plus 2 and plus b. Now compare. 3x plus 5 is how much? 2a into x plus 2a plus b. Okay, so you can say that 2a this will equal to 3. So a is how much? 3 by 2. So 2a plus b this will equal to how much? 5. So b is how much? 5 minus 2a, 2 into a. So 2a this will equal to a. So 5 minus 2a this will equal to 3. So we got 2. So a is 3 by 2 and b is how much? 2. Okay. Now, so that value is replaced to a replaced to 3 by 2. So written 3 by 2 into 2x plus 2 into under root x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, b is how much? 2. So 2 into integration of how much? X square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. Okay, now look here very carefully. If this one is t, so that this one dt. So 3 by 2 into, you can say that x square plus 2x minus 3 to whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c1. How can solve this type of problem? Simply look here. X square plus 2x minus 3 is written as x square plus 2 into 1 into x. So 1 adding, 1 subtracting. So basically 3 minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. So you can say that one x minus 1 to the whole square minus 2 square. So that part is written as how much? 2 into integration of how much? X plus 1 to the whole square, okay, minus 2 2 square. Okay, look here very carefully. this one 2 into under root of x square plus 1 to the whole square minus 2 square. Now I know that in previous question I have already discussed this type of how can solve this type of formula. Here 3 by 2 cancel, so simply written x square plus 2x minus 3 to whole power 3 by 2, and that one written 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, x replace to x plus 1 into under root of, what about that value, simply x square plus 2x minus 3 plus a square is how much, 4, so written 4 into log of x plus 1 plus under root, what about that value, x square plus 2x minus 3 plus that constant c1. After that integration we got another constant c2, so c1 plus c2 is how much, c. Okay, so finally you can say that x square plus 2x minus 3 to whole power 3 by 2, and that one written x plus 1 into under root how much, x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 4 times log of x plus 1 plus under root x square plus 2x minus 3 plus c is the right answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. Okay, recheck again. I will explain again. How can I explain? Simply this one replace to a into differentiation of this one 2x plus 2 plus a constant b. After that compare 2a this equal to how much, 3, so a is how much, 3 by 2. Now these two value 2a plus b this equal to 5, so 2a basically 3, so 3 plus b this will equal to 5, so b this will equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2, so b basically simply 2. Okay, after that these two value put here, then we got like that one and that one. And now if this one is t, so t to power half, integration of t to power half is how much, t to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, so this one, these two cancel, and we got like that one, t basically x square plus 2x minus 3. Now after that how can integrate, simply make this one make perfect square. How can make perfect square, here x square plus 2x minus 3, simply this one written x square into 2 into 1 into x, so basically b is 1 and a is how much, x, so 1 adding and 1 subtracting. If 1 adding, then we got how much, x plus 1 to the whole square. If 1 is subtracting, so minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 is also written as 2 square. After that these two value, this one put replacing to that part. I know that formula of under root x square minus a square is how much, x into under root x square plus a square into log of how much, x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So x basically here x plus 1 and a basically how much, 2. Okay, then we got the final answer. Okay, if anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment it. here basically minus minus, so minus and here minus. Okay, integration of under root x square plus a square, x square minus a square is written as 1 by 2 into x under root x square plus a square minus a square, so that's why written minus here. Okay, silly mistake, that's why. I hope so clear. Now after that we have focused on next problem, question number that is 10, after that 11. Question number 11, integration of x plus 2 into under root of how much, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. How can solve this type of problem? Simply x plus 2, this will be equal to how much, a into differentiation of that part, so that is 4x plus 2 and new constant b. So x plus 2, this will be equal to 4a to x and 2a plus b. So now compare, a this will be equal to how much, 1 by 4, and b, a plus b this will be equal to 2. So b this will be equal to 2 minus 2a, so that is 2 minus how much, 1 by 2. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. So basically b is 3 by 2 and a is 1 by 4. So you can say that this one replace to a is 1 by 4 into 4x plus 2 into under root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx, plus b is how much, 3 by 2. So you can say that 3 by 2 into integration of here 2x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. Okay, now look here, what about that value, 1 by 4 into 2x square plus 2x plus 1 to whole power 3 by 2 divided by how much, 3 by 2, plus this one 3 by 2 into integration of, how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here, 2x square plus 2x plus 1. So first of all make perfect square. So if take 2 is common, then this one return x square plus x plus half. So you can say that 2 into this one x square 1 by 2, sorry, multiply by 2 and divide by 2 into written x. So 1 by 4 adding and minus 1 by 4 subtracting. So 2 into, what about that value? This one written x plus half to the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus half. So basically 2 minus 1, that is plus 1 by 4. Okay, so you can say that 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, now these two are adding, minus 1 by 4 plus half is how much? Simply minus 1 by 4, sorry, plus 1 by 4. Okay, basically minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, if multiply 2 and divide by 2, then minus 1 plus 2 divided by 4, so plus 1 by 4. I hope so clear why written plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Basically look here very carefully, here 3 by 2, here 3 by 2, so you can say that 1 by 2 into 3, that is 6, that is 6. Okay, that is 6 into 2x square plus 2x plus 1 to whole power 3 by 2 plus, what about that value, 3 into root 2 divided by 2, So basically 3 into 1 by 4 into root 2. Okay, integration of this one, x plus half into under root. What about that value? Simply you can write now here x plus half to the whole square plus half to the whole square plus log of modulus of x plus half plus under root, how much? X plus half to the whole square plus 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, is the right answer. A square basically 1 by 4, so written here 1 by here plus 1 by 4 also written. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this question is very easy. So first of all, if this one x plus 2 is replaced to x plus 2 is written as a into differentiation of, wait, I will, okay, now how can do? Simply differentiation of this coordinate equation, we got like that one, plus a into differentiation of this equation plus b. After that we calculate a and b. Now after a and b, these two value put here, then we got how much? Like that one. If this one is t, so that one dt. Okay, if this one is t, so that one is very simple dt. After that, next target, what about that value? If root 2 is common, then this one written under root x plus half to the whole square plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. So basically here under root x square plus a square dx is written as how much? 1 by 2 into x under root x square plus a square into log of x plus under root x square plus a square. So x is how much? X plus half, and a is basically how much? 1 by 2. So that value put here and find the answer. Okay, I hope so clear. Now after that we have focus on next problem, question number 12. We have focus on question number 12. How can do? Look here. Question number 12. Log x dx divided by x into under root of log x to the whole square, okay, into how much? Minus log x to the whole square minus 4 times log x plus 1. Okay, so how can solve this type of problem? Simply first we have focus on take log x, this be equal to t. So differentiation of log x 1 by x dx, this be equal to dt. Okay, so you can say that this one written t dt divided by how much? Under root of 1 minus t square minus 4t. Okay, so you can say that after that, look here very carefully, t is written as a into differentiation of denominator minus 2t minus 4 plus b. So t is how much? Minus 2t into a minus 4a plus b. Now compare minus 2a, this will be equal to 1. So a is how much? Minus half. Minus 4b, 4a plus b, this will be equal to how much? 0. So b, this will be equal to 4a. Okay. So 4 into a is minus half. So that is minus 2. So b is how much? Minus 2 and a is minus half. So you can say that, what about that value? A is minus half, so 1 by 2 into minus 2t minus 4 dt divided by under root 1 minus t square minus 4t. Okay. After that, look here, b is minus half, minus 2, so written minus 2 into dt divided by how much? 1 minus t square minus 4t. Clear? So if this one is t, so that one dt, very clear. But how can solve this one? First of all, make perfect square of this one. So we are focused on 1 minus t square minus 4t. So before making first perfect square, first of all make t square coefficient positive and 1. Okay, positive and also 1. So that's why minus common. So this one is t square plus 4t minus 1. So here t square, this one 2 into t. So 2 square adding and minus 2 square subtracting, and here minus 1. So minus 1, that one t plus 2 to the whole square. And what about that value? Minus 2 square minus 1, that is minus 5. So minus 5 is also written plus root 5 to the whole square after minus multiplication. So basically this one replaced to that part. So you can say that minus half into how much? T to power minus half dt. Okay, t to power minus half dt is replaced to basically integration of t to power minus half dt. I have already discussed in previous question, that is how much? 2 into root t. So that part is written as 2 into under root how much? 1 minus t square minus 4t, and that one 2 into integration of dt divided by under root of root 5 to the whole square minus t plus 2 to the whole square. Okay. So you can say that, how, what about that value? 2 to cancel. So minus under root 1 minus t square minus 4t. Now and plus a constant c1. Integration of this one, add constant. Now what about that value? Simple, very simple. Minus 2 into sine inverse t plus 2 divided by 2 plus a new constant c2 corresponding to this integration, but this constant corresponding to that integration. So c1 plus c2 is how much? Another constant you can replace to c. So final answer like that one. I hope so clear. Now last one, t replaced to how much? 1 minus log x to the whole square minus 4 into log x. Okay. Log x minus 2 into sine inverse log x plus 2 divided by how much? 2 plus c is the right answer. Make it. Okay. That's question number 12. That is question number 12. If anyone face any doubt at any step, then comment. Okay, I will discuss again. Silly mistake here, root 5. So this one root 5 basically. So root 5, sometime silly mistake. Okay, I have so clear. Root 5. Now I will explain again. Look here. Question is given corresponding to that one. Log x dx divided by x into under root 1 minus 4x minus x square. 1 minus log x minus log x to the whole square. Okay. So first of all, I know that if log x is t, then 1 by x is dt. So that's why I replace to, if this one is t, so dt replace to t in the terms of t. After that, now t, this will be equal to differentiation of denominator plus a new constant b. Okay. So we got how much a and b. After solving, we got a is how much, minus 1 by 2, and b is how much, minus 2. So these two value put here. So t replaced to that one. So written this one and this one part. I know that if this one is taken t, if this one is taken t, so this one is dt. So that's why, okay, t to power minus half dt is how much, 2 into root t. So t basically that part. Okay, so 1 minus t square minus 4t. So this t replaced to 1 minus t square minus 4t. So written 2 into something. After that, minus 2 into, how can integrate this one? So first of all, make perfect square. After make perfect square, this one written like that one. So this one replaced to this one. Okay. Now I know that integration of dx divided by x square, a square minus x square is how much, sine inverse x upon a. So x is basically t plus 2 and a is basically root 5. So written like that one. Okay. After that, clear or not? So finally t replaced to log x. So final answer like that one. Okay. If anyone faces any doubt, then comment it. Absolutely clear? Make it